But calling this an assault on faith, AIMIM Chief Owaisi has said that the laws and the constitution are violated to fulfill the agenda of Hindutva organization and that the Prime Minister is a mute spectator. For more on this, let me go across to my colleague Isha, who joins us live in the broadcast. Isha, this is another case coming from the state of Rajasthan, but politics continues over this with AIMIM Chief saying that this is an attack on faith, an assault of faith. Give us more details.
Right, Akanksha. Essentially, you summed it up. Sadaruddin Owaisi, the AIMIM chief, has now come out all guns blazing at the Modi government and the alleged imposition of Hindutva. He's also said that efforts are being made by the forces inside, by the divisive forces inside India to further divide the nation. And he's also then stated that the Ajmeri Baba has been a saint for years to come, and several people have visited him for years. And just the fact that somebody has made a claim does not make it certain that it belongs to the Hindu side. He has also said that this is a complete imposition of Hindutva, and the BJP and Narendra Modi are completely, and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi are completely watching silently. And to give our viewers a little bit more context, Sambhal has seen a lot of violence after an ASI survey was taking place. So it's an extremely sensitive matter, and Sadaruddin Owaisi further adding fuel to fire.
Well, absolutely. And as we told you, that a response has also been sought from Ajmer Dargah Committee. Their member has now said that forces are at play to disrupt the communal harmony in the state of Rajasthan. Listen it.
22 जून को मोहन भागवत जी ने कहा था कि हर मस्जिद में आप ये तलाश ना करो शिवलिंग। ये कसूर जो रिटायर्ड सीजीआई मिस्टर चंद्रचूड़ का है। जब प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट 91 एक्ट बन गया है कि सिर्फ बाबरी मस्जिद को छोड़ के 1947 तक जो स्टेटस को रहा है, जितनी भी रिलीजियस प्लेसेस का वो रहेगा, फिर ये चीजें करने की क्या जरूरत है। देखिए, ख्वाजा मोइनुद्दीन चिश्ती रहमतुल्लाह अलैह की दरगाह जो है वो एक कम्युनल हार्मनी का, डाइवर्सिटी का और सांप्रदायिक सौहार्द और प्लूरलिज्म का प्रतीक है।
So the politics has started over this entire matter with the opposition party saying that law and constitution are being violated. We'll get you more on this right after this very short break. We'll be right back with more news and updates. Stay with us.